Day 7, proof number 1. Try to make a plan. All right, try to make a plan. It never goes well when you just start writing down stuff you think is true, and then you're like, how do I tie this all together at the end? All right, so make a plan here. Anyone see a key vocabulary word in the givens? What do you see, Spencer?
Bisects.
Bisects. Okay, hey. The mind might start thinking, oh, I see bisects. Ooh, halves of equal quantities when I see bisects and midpoint. Ready? How many angles are getting bisected in this proof?
1.
Everyone agree? Just 1. If you're going to use halves of equal quantities, how many do I need to get bisected? 2. No go. No go. Sorry, you don't have enough information to use halves of equal quantities. So don't be putting half down in your proof right now. I need to bisect 2 angles and I'm only bisecting 1. All right. But I still want to use that given. They gave it to me for a reason. Maybe I can't say half of this angle is equal to this, but you can say which 2 angles are equal up there. What 2 angles are equal up there if ADB is getting bisected? Let's go. Should have had this ready. I know. Think I can get it with 100? No, I'm not. Couldn't get it. 8. What 2 angles are equal up here?
ADE and EDE.
Great job. Those 2 angles right there. So angle ADE is congruent to angle EDB. What would you put for your reason then? 7.
Definition of a bisect.
Yeah. So we identified not halves of equal quantities, but I'm still going to use it to say two angles are congruent. All right, take a look at my proof statement. My proof statement does have angle ADE in it. All right, so I'm starting to talk about angle ADE, but I haven't said anything about the other angle in the proof statement, FDC. Givens are provided for a reason. I know this is, we kind of overlook stuff like this, that they intersect each other, but I talked yesterday, if they give you 2 lines intersect, it's because they want you to look for what type of angles? Darn right, Charlie, vertical angles. Anybody see a pair of vertical angles up there that maybe I could use? There's only one pair up here that are formed by these intersecting lines. What are the pair up here I want to use? 11, can you see the pair of vertical angles?
FDC and EDB.
Darn right. FDC congruent to EDB. What's the reason now? 7, what's my reason those 2 angles are congruent?
Vertical angles? Or
Yeah, you're right. R.
congruent.
There you go. Good job, everybody. Good job. So now I got the bisected angles congruent. I got the vertical angles congruent. How do I tie this all together? Look at the last 2 statements. I think I see a little repetition here. 2 angles that are both equal to EDB should be equal to each other. By what reason? Oh, 13. It's all right. I know it's so thrilling in here. Oh, I got 2 angles equal to the same one.
Because of substitution.
There you go, substitution. All right. Questions? Okay, here are the rules today. I'm not saying directions. Here are the rules. You can work with people in your group. Don't move to a different group. Work with people in your group, or you can choose to work individually. You are not allowed to move on to the next proof unless I give you the okay. So you think you're done with the proof, call me over. I want to check it. If it's good, I'll let you go on to the next one. Your notes are your homework. You finish the notes, you finish the homework for tonight. All right, if you get stuck, obviously call me over. But if you think you got a proof done, correct, call me over. I want to check it before I let you go to the next one. Here we go. You guys can work. You don't have to work as a full group. If two of you want to work together in a group, that's fine. If you want to work solo,